Hello, this is Wylock 3rd grade worksheet lesson 9. So for number 1, it says write a multiplication sentence for each. So here we have 1, 2, 3, so 3 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 here. So our multiplication sentence would be 3 times 8 or 8 times 3, which equals 24. Number 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 groups. I'll write it right here, 4 groups. And then there's 2 in each one, so 2 cherries. There we go. So that would mean we have 2 times 4 or 4 times 2, which equals 8. Complete. Draw a picture to find the product. Alright, so here we have 4 times 3, which could be 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4. I'll do 4 groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's 2 groups, 3 groups, and then 4 groups. If we count them all out, we would get 12. So the answer is 12. Number 2, we have 4 times 8, which is like 4 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 4. Here I'll do 4 groups of 8, so that's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and then 4 groups. So then if we count it all out, we would get 32. Here we have 9 times 4, which is 9 groups of 4, which could be 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, and then 9 groups. And if we count it all out, we would get 36. Here we have 4 times 6, which would be 4 groups of 6. So we can do 2, 3, 4. Oops. One group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and then 4 groups. And if we counted it all out, we would get 24. Here we have 4 times 4, which is 4 groups of 4. So 1 group, 2, 3, and then 4, which should give you 16. Here we have 7 groups of 4. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, and then 7 groups. And counting it all out would give you 28. Copy complete. Alright, here we have to multiply these numbers together. So here 2 times 2 would be 4, 2 times 4 would be 8, 2 times 7 would be 14, And then 8 times 2 would be 16. Here we have 3 and 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 7 is 21, and then 3 times 8 is 24. Going back to this question, I think 9 is supposed to be here. So 9 times 2 is 18. Here, the 9 is also supposed to be here, and 3 times 9 is 27. The 8 is supposed to be in the last box. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 8 is 32. Word problems. Jenny has 4 bags of apples. Each bag has 3 apples in it. How many apples does Jenny have in total? Alright, so it says that Jenny has 4 bags of apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And each bag has 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then it asks how many apples does Jenny have in total. And if we count it all out, we would get 12 apples. There are 4 classrooms, and each classroom has 7 chairs. How many chairs are there in all? So there are 4 classrooms, and each of them have 7 chairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. All right. And then if we count it all out, there would be 28 chairs in total. Sarah reads 4 books every day or every week. How many books does she read in 5 weeks? So we can group this up in weeks. So 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. And she reads 4 books every week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just fill it up with 4 in each week. And if we count it up, it would get that she reads 20 books in 5 weeks. A parking lot has 4 rows, and each row holds 10 cars. How many cars can park in the lot? Right here, it's asking for the total of cars, and we know that it has 4 rows, so 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and then 4 rows. And each row holds 10 cars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we just fill each box up with 10. All right. And then if we count them all up, we would get 40. So that means 40 cars can park in the lot. Thank you.